Blitz Demo Derby. And the Y gets together with the Cool Zombie Patrol. And there goes Caleb Messenger chasing down last year's champ.
Come on, FTR.
Into it with the Zombie Patrol. They're locked together over there. They got it apart. Here comes Caleb.
Here we go.
He's lined up on the 2. He gets hit by the 13. 46 gets some on the 30. There's a big hit on the 62 of Caleb Messenger.
Zombie
Patrol trying to get fired back up. Caleb gets some from Tim Miller. Here comes Caleb Norton. Last year's champ gets nailed by the 13. And a plume of smoke out of the Y.
That didn't take long.
Oh, there's a big hit by the Zombie Patrol on the 13 of Tim Miller. Excuse me, Big Miller. Tim Miller's driving around here in the 13. He's looking for a big hit. And he just misses the Zombie Patrol. Zombie Patrol rolling around. Watch out for the head-on. Here it comes.
Oh, man.
And the first car to break his stick is going to be the 46 of Big Miller. Black and silver car, the first car to go to the losers heat. There's a big hit by Tim Miller on the 2.
There you go.
Lined up right here in front of you, bouncing off of each other. The 30's pushing the Y right into the barrier.
Oh, man.
Last year's champ not giving up yet. He's going to take a shot. His right front tire's got a little camber in it. Oh, he's got a caster.
Oh, there we go.
13. Big Miller's still trying to get something going on his car, but he's already broken his stick.
That's a good hit.
62 of...
Come on, Y.
62 of Caleb Messenger has about 30 seconds left on his clock, or he's going to have to break his stick. Here comes last year's champ. Oh, and the Zombie Patrol with a big hit. He's not taking any prisoners. There's a big hit. There's another one. They made the Y a sandwich. Here comes last year's champ. He hits the wall. Still rolling. 62 is still rolling. The Y is trying to get fired back up. And under a plume of smoke, I think he might be done. Still got 4 cars, waiting to see 3 just rolling. There's the 30 of last year's champ getting into the 62. And the Y of Caleb Norton has broken his stick, as has the 62 of Caleb Messenger. That's going to do it for our second heat. Yeah, make some noise for these boys. Moving on to the main event.